Let me welcome you all to our English class of Standard 5th. Today's topic is lesson number 24, Senses Alert. Dear children, you know the meaning of senses. We have 5 sensory organs, right? You know about this through EVS. We have 5 sensory organs that are tongue, eyes, ears, nose and feel or touch. Right? We use these 5 sensory organs while observing any picture. We make use of these 5 sensory organs in day-to-day life. We sense the world through these 5 sensory organs, isn't it? Okay, we make use of these 5 sensory organs to read our pictures. Okay? Look at the photographs carefully and imagine the following. Yes, here you can see 3 photos, rose, lemons and ice cream cone. Yes, what to imagine? The colors, shape, size, actions, etc. of what you see in the picture. Yes, what you see means here the function is seeing. Yes, which sensory organs do this? Yes, our eyes. Eyes to see. You know the function of the eyes. Yes, it senses whatever we see. Yes, it gives information to our brain, isn't it? Here the color, red color, yellow color, multiple colors, correct? Shape, size and action, what is going on, running, flying, etc. actions that are observed by the eyes and it gives the information to our brain, isn't it? Okay, now see here these pictures, chirping of bird, then falling water, crying girl. Yes, the sound or sounds you may hear at the scene of the photograph. Here we can imagine the sound, isn't it, by observing the picture. Yes, the chirping of bird, this water falling, yes, dabdaba, correct? And here the crying girl. We can imagine. Here which sensory organs help us to imagine this? Yes, our ears. Very good. Ears to hear. Correct? Okay. Here this is about hearing means second sensory organ. Now here you can see cat, hard stone, soft cloth, tiny bird, soft bird, delicate flowers. Correct. How the different things, birds, animals, etc. in the picture feel to the touch. This tells all by touch, means feeling of touch. That cat is very soft, stone is hard, and this cloth is very soft and smooth. Yes, the bird is also tiny and soft, right? And these flowers, they are very delicate. Yes, this sense is given by the touch, right? Yes, dear children, here you can see again so many things. The smells you may smell at the scene of the picture. Yes, here we can see jasmine flowers, right? And incense burning sticks, agarbatti, right? And different types of flowers in the garden. And here you can see pav bhaji. Yes, the smell out of all these are sensed by our nose and it gives the information to our brain, isn't it? Yes, here we use this our nose to smell the things. By observing the picture, by looking at the picture, we can imagine the smell of these pictures. Right? Okay. Now here you can see some more things. The taste of what you see in the picture. Who tells this? Yes? Yeah, our tongue. This mango is sweet and juicy. These gulab jamuns very sweet, yummy, correct? And these chilies are hot. These bitter gourds are bitter in taste. Yes, this omelette very tasty and fresh. Like this, who tells us? Yeah, our tongue. It gives the sense of taste to us by looking at the pictures, isn't it? Okay. Now, dear children, you can see a beautiful photo here, right? Yes, write short descriptions on this photo. Yes, dear children, we can see different colors. Who tells this? Yes, our eyes. Beautiful sky and beautiful water, rising sun, yes, floating clouds. Yes, who gave the sense? Our eyes, right? And what about the sound of the water? Who tells us? Ears, correct? And the water may be cool. This sense we get from the touch. Yes, dear children, by looking at this one photograph, our three sensory organs can tell something about this picture. Yes, while writing a short descriptions about any photograph given, we have to use our sensory organs. Not all the five, we have to use some of the sensory organs that are very useful to read the pictures. Here you can see eyes and our ears and our touch feeling that can tell us about this picture. Correct? Here no use of tongue and no use of nose means smell. Correct? Like this we have to decide and we have to use some of our sensory organs to describe the given picture. Okay? Or the given photograph. Now here also you can see one more beautiful natural photograph. Yes, when you describe a photograph, you will find the following words and phrases useful. You may also use other words you know. In your textbook, here some words and phrases are given which may help you while writing the descriptions about the given photograph. Okay? Yes, here you can see a photograph. About this we will discuss or about this we will write description later on by using the given words. Okay? First, what you see can be means our eyes functions. Okay? What you can see may be big, small, tiny, huge, bright, dim, faint, dark, black, white, orange, green, blue, red, yellow, round, square, rectangular, zigzag, straight, crooked, colorful, beautiful, lovely, wonderful, etc. Yes, dear children, you can see here the colors. You can see the shape, right? You can see the size and you can see the actions. These are all the functions of our eyes. For example, see big, small, tiny, huge, these are sizes, correct? And the colors like red, yellow, green, dim, faint, bright, these tells about the colors. Okay? then round, square, rectangular, zigzag, about the shape. Whatever the conclusion we give. This is a very beautiful picture, colorful picture. Correct? Like these words we can use for the given pictures. And here the photograph may show different actions. Okay, it could be sitting, waiting, walking, going, flying, swinging, shining, etc. Here we can see here sitting, waiting for someone, walking or going, okay, flying in the sky, swinging nicely, shining. Correct? Like these words of actions we can use for our picture while writing the descriptions. Now here the sounds may be the function of the ears. The sound may be sweet, loud, soft, harsh, shrill, etc. Here shrill means high pitch or piercing. We'll see sweet voice of a bird. Loud noise. See, loud blasting noise. Yeah, this is soft. See, very soft. She is obeying the orders. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Like this. And see, this is harsh, irritating sound. Drilling, isn't it? And see, this is a shrill, means with high pitch or piercing. We can use words like this to explain the picture. The sound can be screech, a crash, a honk, a whisper, a sigh, a scream, a noise, etc. Here you can see a screech, see, a crash, a honk, whisper, a sigh means long, audible breath that we use during sadness. Okay, this is a scream. And you do in the class, that is a noise. Right? Like these words we can use. Yes, to the touch things can be. Here we are using the feel of touch. Maybe hot, cold, warm, cool, soft, hard, smooth, firm, rough, wet, dry, sticky, slimy, etc. See, this is hot, hot water, hot, burning, right? This is cold, yeah, ice cold. You know the meaning of warm, right? Cool, right? This is hard stone, soft cloth or smooth surface. This is a firm one, correct? Rough surface. See this, right? Wet and dry. Boy under the umbrella is dry, and this in the rain he is wet. Correct? Now see, this is sticky. Bubble gum, chewing gum, sticky. And this is slimy. Right? Got this, children? Like these words you can use for touch, about the feeling. Things may smell. Now the function of the nose. How they smell? Yes, nice, sweet smell, good, bad smell, foul smell, etc. Correct? You can see here burning incense sticks. Nice. Like this we do, right? And the jasmine, sweet, pleasant smell. Yes, pav bhaji, very delicious, good smell. Yes, this is garbage, bad smell. And here rotten vegetables, foul smell. Yes, dear children, please understand the words while writing so that you can use them while writing the description about the photographs. Okay? Some more. It could be a strong, fresh, delicious, pleasant smell. Yes. See, this is strong, bad smell. Okay? This is fresh or pleasant smell about the attar or deodorant. Yes, delicious. Correct? Fresh. Here so you can see pleasant smelling flowers. Right? You can use these words. Some more. The smell can be scent and aroma means a good smell. A fragrance, flowers, correct? A good smell. An odor, a stink. Stink means here bad smell. Okay? Your mouth stinks. A foul smell, correct? Like this we use now. Okay? Got this, children? Here we can use these also during explaining about the smell. Now the last is things may taste. Yes. Who tells this? Our tongue. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty, nice, etc. See this. Gulab jam, sweet. And this tamarind, imli. This is sour in taste. Methi, bitter in taste. These potato wafers, they are crunchy, salty, isn't it? And these fruits are very nice and fresh, right? These all tastes are told by our tongue. Again, here some words we can use like you could call things cool. Yes, juicy, crunchy, yummy, tasty, etc. See, these are cool and juicy, right? These are crunchy, karam kuram. And this ice cream is yummy. And this pizza is very yummy and tasty. Isn't it? Okay. Now, dear children, we have gone through so many words that helps us to describe the pictures. Am I right? About the how we can see, how we can hear, how we can touch, how we can smell, and how we can taste. All these are imaginations. Right? We can use different words to describe the picture. Okay, let us try to describe the given picture. Write short descriptions on given photograph. See, here one photograph is given, that is a burning incense stick. Right? What to write about this? First, observe the picture carefully. There are 4 sticks and they are burning. Right? Yes, we will use our sensory organs. Which are all sensory organs we can use here? Let us see. First, let us begin to write the description. Let us write. Okay, the photograph shows an incense stick burning. Right? The smoke is white and curling. Whatever we can see in the picture, that we have to write. The sweet fragrance of champa flowers spreads. It makes me happy. Yeah, here we have used our eyes to see the incense stick burning, about the smoke, correct? And we have used our nose to imagine the fragrance of champa flowers through these incense sticks. Yes, we have used here altogether two sensory organs to get the information about this picture. Correct? Okay, one more let us try. Okay, here we can write like this. This photograph shows a tiny black kitten. Tiny means very small, isn't it? Kitten. It is looking at something. See the action here, right? It is looking carefully. It is very soft. It is not making any noise. See, our eyes said that this is very small or tiny, correct? And black in color. And it is looking at something carefully means what is the action? It is simply standing and observing something carefully. That told by our eyes, right? And what about this? It is very soft. Who said this? Imagination of our touch, right? And it is not making any noise. That sense is given by our ears. Dear children, here we have used our three sensory organs, that is eyes, feel of touch and ears, to explain about this picture. Yes? Okay. Here one more picture that we have seen earlier, right? The nature picture. Here we can say like this. First observe the photo carefully. Now let us write. The photograph shows a beautiful nature with green tall trees. Here we have used the colors and the shape, tall trees. Okay, bright blue clouds nearing the mountains, giving fresh and pleasant feeling. Yes, can you imagine which all sensory organs we have used here? Yes, it is showing colors, shape, size, right? Okay, and what about the freshness and pleasant feeling? You only decide which all sensory organs we have used here. Okay, one more. See this picture. Greenery all over, right? Let us write something about this. The photograph shows cactus plants. You know the name, right? Cactus plants with green fleshy part with hard, sharp and strong thorns. We can see different shapes and sizes of these plants. They are all of same family. Different shapes and different size we can see in this picture. We can see greenery, fresh stems, thorny leaves, etc. Isn't it? Here also we have used different sensory organs. Correct? Now dear children, this is your work to write short descriptions on the given picture. You can see here a tiger, right? You can use your eyes, you can feel, you can hear, right? You can use 2 to 3 sensory organs, and you can use different words given in the textbook to write the description about this picture. One more picture. This is also for you. You have to write about this. And the last picture. Okay. You must have to make your use of sensory organs along with the words given in the textbook, or if you know some more words about these pictures, you can add. Okay. And you must have to write short descriptions. Got this? Thank you, dear children. Children, try to find the pictures and try to write the small or long descriptions about the pictures.